Executive Mayor Councillor Retief Odendal is continuing with his drought public discussions, which seek to strengthen the partnership between the city and its residents in fighting the relentless drought. Last night, Mayor Odendal, accompanied by Mayoral Committee Member for Infrastructure and Engineering, as well as Senior Director for Water and Sanitation, Mr. Barry Martin, weighed in on the severity of the drought crisis, as well as the possibility of more water outages.
We've taken a principled decision that we're going to extract less water from our dams to stay in line with the restrictions imposed on the city by Department of Water and Sanitation. But if consumption does not go down, parts of the city will run dry. So we're running these awareness campaigns so that the people can actually understand the effect of reducing consumption. If we all work together and we use no more than 50 litres per person per day, there should be no need for any community to run out of water on any day in Nelson Mandela Bay. The city has spent over 1.2 billion rand on drought mitigation and water augmentation projects, and that has yielded an additional 100 megalitres of water for the city on a daily basis. That's about a third of what we're consuming. But this is a 1 in a 100-year drought. It is the worst drought on record. And although we've got this additional capacity, we still just don't have enough water because our dams are running dry.
The biggest concern that I have is that there's an apparent lack of sincerity and urgency amongst residents in Nelson Mandela Bay about conserving that bit of water. And there are many ways in which we can conserve just a few litres a day, everybody. And those few litres a day add up to an enormous amount.
I would like to encourage all citizens to come to such meetings where we are invited as residents to attend and listen to such meetings about water usage. Because sitting there, I have received such a lot of information which tend to be a light bulb moment for me, because sometimes we take for granted when we are told to save water, because it is said at 50 litres per person. And I really want to encourage, when we get such invitation, let's all come in numbers, because now I'm a better informed citizen about water.
Residents are urged to save water at all costs to avoid dry taps.